Alright, magandang araw mga fellow gun enthusiasts. In this next review, check natin tong MDC Defense na 9mm pistol ng Shooters Arms Manufacturing. One of the pistol offerings, recent pistol offerings na medyo maraming curious sa atin, ano? And that would be pistol model MDC T9. Alright, so there you go. Walang natin. Let's just illuminate that a bit. First off, safety check muna tayo sa pistol. Okay, if you look at that one, slide lock on. So, physical check, just to make sure firearm is safe, point in the safe direction. Okay, and click. Okay, alright, so this is one of the newer offerings, and itong pistol natin na MDC T9 by Shooters, this is what they are offering for those who are interested in having an affordable 9mm that is much more affordable, considerably much more affordable than, for example, a Glock. Okay, so this is made in Turkey, and as you can see, it has a lot of nice features. So first off, check muna natin kung ano yung nasa box. We have the pistol itself, and we have 2 magazines. All right. Now, in the future, just a disclaimer, guys. In the future, baka iba na yung laman ng box. All right. So it will really depend kung anong package yung makuha nyo. I would like to note na I think sa future baka wala na yung mga ibang accessories, but for now, this is what we get. Yung pistol natin, we have these 9mm magazines. These are definitely Glock magazines, Glock style magazines, made in Turkey. Okay, so it does have steel inserts in them, so not entirely polymer, steel lined polymer magazines, very nice. Then we look over here, we have, for this package, meron din tayong gun oil. Alright, and might not be present in future packages. I don't know, meron din tayong interchangeable back straps. Okay, so meron tayong large, medium, and yung small. So depende sa size ng hands mo, guys. Pwede mong palitan yung nandito sa pistol. And if we look over here, we seem to have some kind of lens cleaning cloth, And the reason for that, although I'm not too sure, because wala naman talaga siyang rail dito. I think this one is just for cleaning kit. And if you look over here, I think there is a version na pwede mong lagyan ng optic. But not this one kasi wala siyang optics cut. Alright, so just to take note. Different pistols can have different function, different features. This one doesn't have that. So ibalik ko lang to dyan. If you look over here, we have another box over here. This is MDC Defense. Okay. I think this is a cleaning kit. So kasama na siya dun sa pistol. So very nice na nagsama sila ng ganito. Cleaning kits are relatively common naman for 9mm, but it's nice to have one para hindi ka nabibili. Okay, so alright, there you go. So let's just have a short look here at what we have for this pistol. So short, yung it does have yung seems to have yung controls and ergonomics ng Glock talaga. Very, very Glock-like controls and interface. So you can see it's made in Turkey. We have fiber optic sights, very nice. I really like fiber optic sights, guys. I'm a big fan of them because mas madaling i-pick up sa low light situations ang fiber optic. So for the front, we have this orange or red-orange na fiber optic sight, and green for rear. So if we look over here, I'm gonna try to align the sights. Okay, very nice. Medyo malabo lang dito sa camera, but in person, they're really, really very easy to pick up high visibility sights. Alright? So there you go. So I'm gonna try to lock the slide back. Check natin. Then we can also disassemble. So you can see, yan yung yung feed ramp natin. Chamber. A little bit flared magwell over here. And as far as I'm concerned, yung captive recoil spring assembly. So let's check it out. Okay, so point in the safe direction. Click. And then we're going to disassemble it. Very Glock-like disassembly. There you go. If you look over here, ito yung assembly natin. Let's check out yung recoil spring assembly niya. I am not too sure kung compatible dito yung mga replacements from Glock. Possible, but I need to test it out first. I don't have one of these, so I can't say for sure. Pero very, very similar yung captive recoil spring assembly niya. Okay, and then looking over here, ito yung barrel. This is the slide itself. So, yung finish niya, it's a bit of a gray finish. Titanium looking gray finish over there. Ito yung firing pin block niya. And there it is, yung ano natin, yung striker natin and firing pin. It does have a very Glock-like backplate over here. Now, if you look at the barrel, this is what the barrel looks like, 9mm. So, again, very, very similar dun sa mga natin, sa mga barrel natin na Glock. So, again, what we have over there, yung mga markings niya. If you look over here, very similar interface. Okay, so I'm gonna reassemble it now. So, yung reassembly niya is very, very similar to a Glock. You take that, push the guide rod, insert it in the slot, and then you take this, and there you go. Safe to check again, point the safe direction, click. Take the magazine, insert it. Yan na siya. So again guys, very similar to a Glock and takedown in disassembly. Just note guys that personally, I really like yung disassembly niya. My only issue with it is just be careful guys, when you are operating a striker fired pistol like this one, na kailangang i-pull yung trigger to disassemble. I have a lot of guns right now that don't require yung ganon, pero just check to make sure, doubly check to make sure kung safe yung firearm and there are no rounds in the chamber or magazine. Kasi yun nga, because you have to pull the trigger, that can be a concern. Okay, so yun lang. Pero other than that, it is a great pistol. Personally, you can accessorize this in many ways because yun nga, similar to a Glock. And for the parts niya, I'm not sure entirely kung ano yung mga parts dito na compatible sa Glock. It's entirely possible that that some of them are. So yun nga, if you are going to get a pistol but you want, for example, you are interested in getting a Glock but you are more inclined to get an affordable option, this isn't a bad choice. Maganda siya dahil yun nga, budget na budget siya. And it does come equipped with features that make it superior to yung, for example, a stock Glock. Meron tayong magandang sights and the color and finish is pretty nice, compatible with all Glock magazines. Maganda to kung naka-PCC ka, for example, guys, na nag-Glock magazines din, 9mm, and you have this pistol, automatic, common na sa'yo yung magazines niya at ammunition. And I cannot highlight enough how important it is, for example, to have a PCC and a pistol that has common magazines and ammunition. Magandang bagay yon. For logistics, that's a brilliant choice. So again, guys, if you are interested in checking this out, I think these are just below 30 Blue Eagles, around 28.5 I think. Depends kung kailan mo siya kukunin, kung may sale or walang sale. So if you're interested in that, you can check this out from Shooters. Okay, so thank you very much guys for checking itong quick review natin on the Shooters MDC T9 striker fired pistol that's available at Shooters. Okay, so this is the box, plastic box, not a bad box. I like the hinge, so pwede mong itago dito yung pistol. But I would like to emphasize, guys, that when you do own firearms like this at home, put them in a proper gun safe, okay? Just for safety and to make sure that the firearm is not easily accessed by people who shouldn't have access to them. So, MDC Defense pistol by Shooters Arms Manufacturing. So Thank you very much, guys, for watching our quick review of this pistol. And if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll check out another firearm soon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next video.